Look. Significance. Yes, agrarian, yes, 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 significant toward highest. Further. See, actually I gave you 12 marks alok, मगर
Yes,
आपको
sir.
12 marks नहीं देना था क्योंकि see if you see the question, demand of the question, half part is about significance of village study and 50 part is about mention some theoretical concepts. आपको मिकी मारियट के बारे में लिखना पड़ेगा, आपको एससी दुबे के बारे में लिखना पड़ेगा, आपको एम एन श्रीनिवास के बारे में लिखना पड़ेगा, आपको डीएन मजुमदार मोहना विलेज के बारे में लिखना पड़ेगा. सो 2 pages शुड बी द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द आंसर, 2 pages शुड बी सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. समझ में आया आपको आलोक जी?
Yes, sir.
See, but you mentioned nearly 3 pages of the first part of the question, and the second part of the question is only 1.5 page. In that conclusion is also there. So it should be, I gave you 12 marks, but it should be somewhere around 9. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
समझ में आया ना आपको?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right, the traditional and changing patterns of settlement and see in the classroom notes PDF which I provided you, I had gave some PDFs, case studies. उसमें मैंने मिजोरम के एक विलेज का सेटलमेंट पैटर्न का केस स्टडी दिया था क्लासरूम नोट्स में. यू हैव टू राइट
Yes,
वन
sir.
केस स्टडी. ओके.
Okay, sir.
कंपल्सरी एवरीवन शुड अटेंड दिस, डिस्कशन क्लास. देखिए यहाँ पे देखिए आप, डिटेल अबाउट द रोल प्लेड बाय द वेरियस एक्सोजिनस प्रोसेसेस. ये सैंस्क्रिटाइजेशन क्या है ना, ये इंडोजिनस प्रोसेस है. ये बिल्कुल आंसर नहीं होता है. वेस्टर्नाइजेशन होता है, मॉडर्नाइजेशन होता है, ग्लोबलाइजेशन 100% करेक्ट, बट द सैंस्क्रिटाइजेशन इज इंडिजिनस प्रोसेस. सो दिस इज रॉन्ग. वेस्टर्नाइजेशन इज करेक्ट, मॉडर्नाइजेशन इज करेक्ट, ग्लोबलाइजेशन इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. समझ में है ना आपको?
Yes, sir.
See, you should not just mention about rural society, you should write characteristics of rural society.
Okay, sir.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. आपने रोल ऑफ मीडिया बोल के एक डिवाइड किया और रोल ऑफ पीआरआई बोल के डिवाइड किया. वेरी गुड.
Thank you, sir.
Factors responsible. So what are the factors responsible for indebtedness, formal farmer loan and etc.? वन ऑफ द एंथ्रोपोलॉजिस्ट, कौन सा एंथ्रोपोलॉजिस्ट? यहाँ पे ही है ना, इमेंस यूनिवर्स बोल के।
Yes, I thought, but I thought I mentioned it later only, so I didn't mention any introduction.
यू हैव टू इलाबोरेट करना पड़ेगा आपको। गुड। आलोक, मैं बोला था ना कंपल्सरी प्लीज फॉलो दोस प्रिंसिपल्स।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
एनी डाउट्स?
No, sir.
थैंक यू।
Welcome, sir. Thank you, sir.
यस, सुनील कुमार, आर यू देयर?
Yes, sir.
अभिषेक, यस।
Yes, sir. Good evening.
गुड इवनिंग अभिषेक। I evaluated your copy within 24 hours.
Yes, sir.
अब थोड़ा बहुत हैंड राइटिंग इंप्रूव करना अभिषेक।
Yes,
कंटेंट
sir.
इज देयर, आई नोटिस कंटेंट इज देयर, इंफॉर्मेशन इज देयर। देखो, देखिए आप कहाँ पे कहाँ जा रहे हो।
Yes.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड डायग्राम। Modernization, yes.
Sir, I had this doubt, like an introduction in this question only.
I am also
I
thinking
wrote the views.
लैंड थ्रू
Yes, sir.
लीगल बोल के आपने लिखा था, कहाँ पे पढ़े आपने लीगल?
Sir, this was a research paper of Y and Bhatia, so I just quoted that line. directly.
Okay, it is accepted.
Sir, is it fine to write that info directly in introduction?
No, this is 20 marker. No, what you have to do first paragraph. Everyone listen. Whenever you are writing an answer, the first paragraph should be your understanding of the concept. Sanskritization, your understanding of Sanskritization, your understanding of Westernization, your understanding of land delineation. Then you have to give a technical definition.
Okay, sir. Sir, like in this question, I wrote key publications of M.N. Srinivas by giving a separate heading. Shall I write like this only, or I shall put those books' name in the context only?
एक minute. Question क्या था? What is the question actually?
Sir, it was about contribution of M.N. Srinivas.
Correct. 100% correct. Then these are the contributions. Yes. It is called as glocal.
Yes, sir.
Very good, Abhishek. You should improve only on handwriting. आपने 3 घंटे में लिखा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Content is correct. Any questions to me?
Sir, any areas of improvement?
No, handwriting.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Srilekha?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I just want to know that what are the things that I need to write in the answers so as to get 1 to 2 marks more in each and every question? Like, what are the drawbacks that I'm facing?
Srilekha, see, I noticed one thing. I provided 1,000 case studies. See, everyone are writing the same examples. So there should be some change, some new thing should be there. That is the reason I provided a case studies. But I understood that
Okay,
some students are not reading those case studies. So again, for you people, I am writing on a paper and I will send you at least 100 case studies. If you are writing mains, then compulsory read those case studies which I will be writing with my pen and I will be sending you. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
वो डिफरेंस रहना चाहिए. देखो ये कौन नहीं लिखता बोलो? हाई बर्थ रेट, लो, everyone no. High birth rate, low death rate, low birth rate, everyone know this. This is good thing. No, I remember your paper. Points are correct only. Good.
So do I need to put more examples?
Yes. Good. I remember your conclusions are very good, Sri Lekha.
Okay, sir. Sir, I was asked to improve the content and the structure. So what is the mistake in the structure?
देखो मैं बोलता हूँ एक आंसर देख के I will take one example and
Okay,
will explain. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
See, dominant caste is, this is 20 marker first of all. Is studied by immense university in dominant caste in Rampura, which focus on local hierarchy as well as socio-economic political hierarchy. This is correct only. First, what is dominant caste? You should mention a caste which is exercising political power on the village affairs and who also exercise social and cultural dominance over all the castes in the village is called as dominant caste. Then उसके बाद आपको A लिखना पड़ेगा. As I told for Abhishek. So first you have to write the what you understood by the concept.
Okay, sir.
Then definition, okay. Make him Marriott, numerical strength, hours, arrogant, very good. Anil Bhatt, dominant caste, arbitration.
So that is only my concern, that what is the extra thing that I need to do to get 2 to 3 marks in every question.
अभी बोला ना मैंने?
हाँ sir, the case studies.
यहाँ पे आपने प्रॉपरली प्लान करना पड़ेगा इसलिए. ठीक है?
Yes, sir, something in some questions, like while I'm writing the content, while reaching the conclusion, I realize that space is very less. So for that reason, should I have to shorten the content in that case?
Yes, 100%. So sometimes words are unidentifiable.
Okay.
Purusharthas refers to the goals or desires of human life to balance between the desire to have a long life. No, Purushartha is a means to achieve the goal. Purushartha is not the goal.
Okay, sir.
Refers, Sir, no? Hmm. You are having enough content, but visibility nahi hai, Sri Lanka. Visibility, that is the reason you are losing 1 mark. Visibility means it should be pleasant to the eyes. In this context, I will tell you one example. There are 2 students. I will not take the names. One name I will take. Her name is Alekia, who is an anchor, and another person who is a friend of Alekia. Both went to interview. Both are anthropology students. Both were been offline students. I used to guide them properly. In both of them, the person who is having more anthropology knowledge was that person, boy. But the Alekia is one lady, whereby she used to present properly. Visibility would be there. So I gave more marks for her when compared to this person. The same thing happened in UPSC also. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि it's not the content which we write, it's about how we make our paper visible. समझ में आया ना?
So, sir, do I need to do more headings and diagrams like that or flowcharts?
Not flowcharts, diagrams you do more little bit. थोड़ा clarity, थोड़ा neatly. देखो इतना कंटेंट लिख लिया आपने. You are very good at content, but it is confusing the reader. समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir. Sir, do I need to shorten the sentences? Like,
Yes.
am I writing more in paragraph form that I need to shorten?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Good. Any questions to me, Sri Lanka?
No, sir, it's fine.
Okay. Next, Sumant,
Yes, sir.
please write in our papers, no?
Yeah, sir. Okay, sir.
At least first page you put our paper.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Very good.
Sir, do I lack in content, sir? Sir, what I feel is like while writing, I feel lack in content, so I giving more spaces between words
No, it's okay. No
to
problem.
fill the way. Okay, sir. Thank
It's good. It's visible. No problem.
Okay, sir.
It's losing its not power, it's losing its significance.
Okay, sir.
Yes. How many marks you got, Sumant?
Sir, 138, sir.
Attempted all questions?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
But however, it completely got degenerated or in the process of deterioration.
Okay.
Good, Sumant. Please continue the same.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Sir, one thing, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, while writing answers, sir, okay, I am trying to give some emphasis on relevant examples. Sir, it is good or I need to
Good,
take
good.
I'm when I checking papers like Nidhi Pais ma'am like gave more emphasis on relevant examples.
Hmm.
So I'm following that one, sir.
See, ఎప్పుడైనా కూడా examples are important. Whatever it may be, when you give examples, it gives to the reader that you are substantiating it.
Okay.
That is advisable and recommendable.
Okay. Thank you.
Correct. See, as I told to everyone that first आप dominant caste आपका समझ में क्या है, that you have to write, then you have to go into the technical part. Good. One thing, Asta, while evaluating also, why
Okay.
Guha's classification is most accepted, you told. It gave more due importance to negative element. I didn't came across this point. Where you, what is this?
Sir, actually, in Risley's classification, the negative element was completely ignored. So classification included it. That's why I wrote it.
So it should be the, see, this is proper scientific study. This is the, when you are writing answers, it should be in a point wise, and that point wise should be according to the priority. Then this should be the last priority.
Which one, sir? Negative one.
Hmm.
Okay.
First priority should be scientific study.
Okay.
Not only this, any answer when you write, it should be in priority wise. For example,
Okay.
measures, government measures, then constitutional safeguards, legislative safeguards, judicial safeguards, executive safeguards. Like that, we have to write.
Okay.
Okay. Buddha say you are very good, improved. Any questions to me?
Sir, like that only, like in every question, what can I do extra to fetch one or two more marks?
Right? You should add, or you should write the answers according to the priority.
Okay. And sir, examples and all are good enough, or I
Good
need
enough.
to add more?
Good enough.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
But read those case studies, you will get more points, more examples.
Sir, actually, those are very much enough, so I'm not able to synchronize like which one I have to read. Like it's too much of content.
No, I'm writing a few that I will send you within 4 or 5 days.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, I once took a PDF, means like or forgetting because it's so many case studies, so that is why I'm not able to apply it while writing the answers.
No, slowly we have to read, Asta.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Pratik,
Yes, sir.
Pratik, sometimes your words समझ में नहीं आता है प्रातिक.
सर ट्रांजिएंट सर वो राइटिंग थोड़ा सा वो हो गया.
Sunil Kumar, are you there? Next, you are only.
Yes, sir.
Comprehensive, very good. Integration of culture and linguistic, very good. Historical, broad categorization. Most important, it is scientific. Prophetic and Protestant. Prophetic and Protestant. गुड प्रतीक, कितना मार्क आया आपको?
Sir, 140 something.
वेरी गुड. प्लीज राइट फर्स्ट पेज एटलीस्ट इन आवर पेपर. ठीक है.
Oh,
एनी क्वेश्चंस फॉर मी?
sir, any specific areas of improvement?
कुछ कुछ जगह बिल्कुल समझ में नहीं आ रहा वर्ड्स.
Sir, writing या फिर language?
मैं राइटिंग बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ और इंग्लिश बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ग्रामर बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, वो सब सही है, मगर सम वर्ड्स आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडेबल एट फ्यू इंस्टेंसेस. Because of that, the reader might get frustrated or anger and might not give marks. For that purpose, what you have to do, you have to be self-conscious. When you are writing
Okay.
answer, you have to be self-conscious. The solution is self-consciousness. That's it.
Sir, should I use simple words like?
Use simple words, yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you.
Sunil?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rohit, next to you, then Piyush. Okay?
Yes.
आपका एग्जाम्पल्स बहुत अच्छा है सुनील. आपका पेपर एवेल्यूएट करते समय योर एग्जाम्पल्स आर गुड.
Okay, sir.
आपका प्रेजेंटेशन भी अच्छा है सुनील.
Okay, sir.
Not calling name, it is called as technonym.
Okay, okay, sir. Yes, sir. वो मैं भूल गया था असल में ये वर्ड.
थोड़ा स्पेलिंग्स के ऊपर फोकस करना है.
Okay, sir.
Contract. Which answers are very, very good, Sunil.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Changing nature of society, kinship and also changing. Correct. Good. Sunil, any questions for me?
सर एक्चुअली सर वो पढ़ने लायक है, मतलब मेरे को थोड़ा हमेशा सेल्फ डाउट रहता है कि मेरी राइटिंग है जो समझ नहीं आती, मतलब अंडरस्टैंडेबल नहीं है।
Hey, no, understandable है. But you have to focus little bit on your spellings. That's it.
ओके सर।
Understandable, it's visible, good. वो काफी है.
और सर एक आध क्वेश्चन और था मेरा, जैसे कुछ चीजें हैं वो हम क्या करते हैं भूल जाते हैं, जैसे कि अपने थ्योरीज है, तो बुक्स वगैरह है किसी एंथ्रोपोलॉजिस्ट की, उनको हम कई बार मिस कर देते हैं, तो वो कितना बड़ा इश्यू होता है सर?
नहीं, बुक्स का नाम आप एक सी डोमिनेंट कैस्ट इस कौन सी
यस सर।
बुक में लिखा हुआ है, दैट यू
और
रिमेम्बर.
सर यस सर, वो
जाजमाने सिस्टम किस बुक में लिखा, वो तो आपको याद करना पड़ेगा कंपल्सरी.
यस सर। नो सर, मैं उनकी बात कर रहा हूँ थ्योरीज, ये एंथ्रोपोलॉजिकल थ्योरीज है, जैसे जेम्स फ्रेजर की बुक हो गई, इन सब की हो
गोल्डन
गई,
बॉब.
गोल्डन बो, और वो टोटेमिज्म एंड एक्सोगेमी, वो मतलब इन सब की वो थोड़ा याद करना मुश्किल होता है सर।
एक एक याद करो.
ओके सर। और सर एक और मेरा क्वेश्चन था, जैसे लास्ट टाइम आई गोट 215 मार्क्स सर,
या
तो इस बार सर कितना लग रहा है आपको, मतलब?
नहीं, you do the same, but as I told to everyone, I am telling you the same, that case studies which I provided you, once go through it, it will give you value, a game changer thing. One mark you will get extra. Anyhow, those case studies I am writing, and I will be sending you very soon also, in very crisp manner.
यस सर। ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
Thank you. Rohit.
Yes, sir.
Good presentation. You have to write all theories, huh?
Okay, sir.
All answers are not written, Rohit, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Piyush, are you there? Any questions to me, Rohit?
సార్ అదే సార్ సేమ్ ఆ 1 మార్క్ ఎక్కడ ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవాలి అని చెప్పి.
నేను చెప్పాను కదా, అది ఇస్తాను నేను మీకు, జస్ట్ అది ఫాలో అవ్వండి.
ఓకే సార్. అండ్ కాంటెంపరీ రిలవెన్స్ అనేది ఏ టాపిక్ రాయాల్సి వస్తుంది సార్?
క్యాస్ట్ కి రాయాల్సి వస్తుంది, ట్రైబ్ కి రాయాల్సి వస్తుంది, అంతే.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. Piyush?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Piyush.
Thank you, sir, for taking this session such so late in time.
Piyush, main focus should be, what I noticed in evaluating your paper is you are writing all the points exactly, but however, Piyush, you are writing mains this time, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's good. Just a 5, 3. American British school pyramid. गुड गुड, सही है। आपका कितना कितना नंबर मिला आपको?
Sir, in one test I got 124, and in another test I think I got around 120 around, I think.
Okay.
120.
Thanks. अब थोड़ा you have to write little bit more content that I felt. Finally, what I want to tell you, Piyush, you have to add more content.
Okay, sir.
If I recommend you something, then I will recommend you to write more content. Content is less, information is less.
Okay, sir.
Everything is good. That you have to do. Okay,
Okay,
Piyush?
sir.
Any questions for me?
Sir, I have certain conceptual doubts in the test paper. So, like in test paper 4, I think this one paper, sir, that you have opened on your screen. That question number 1, that is about the ceremonial exchange. In this one part, we have mentioned its various steps with present relevance and significance. And the third part, the question is that can you analyze still it have purpose in society to maintain bonding among the people? So aren't those?
1 minute. Test number 5, first question, huh?
Sir, yeah, test number 4, first question. Yes, sir.
Test number 4.
Yes, sir. Yeah, test number 4, first question. Sir, that of 20 marker. 20 marker. Sir, left side, doc scanner, that name, I think. 28 CI.
Okay. Tell me your question.
Okay, so the question is that a brief note about ceremonial exchange in economic anthropology and mention its various types with present relevance and significance. And again, the question continues that can you analyze still it have purpose in society to maintain bonding among
Yes.
people?
3 questions are there in that. So first you have to mention about ceremonial exchange. Example of ceremonial exchange, you have to write about collaring. and its significance you have to mention, like social relationship. How it is relevant today? It is relevant today because everyone is given importance for economic relations, but not for social relations. Hence, the collaring is also relevant today. If we fulfill it, if we follow today, there is a chance, or there is a constitutional safeguards like universal brotherhood, peaceful coexistence we can reach.
And just sir, the next part, can you analyze still it have purpose in society? Those the second and third part aren't the same thing that they are questioning about the same.
They are the same things. But
Yeah.
in contemporary society, if we, this point you have got, in the contemporary society, if we add it or if we follow it, it is going to achieve these targets.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. And sir, like in this one, sir, sir, there was question, but okay, sir, don't have open. I don't know. Sir, there was one question of what are the tools of data collection, and can you simplify the various methods involved for the data collection tool? That question. In this, I have made the table showing in one column. I have shown that
Very good, very good. Table is
data
great.
data
Table is
collection
very good.
tools, then significance, then challenges. So, sir, isn't that the bad way to showcase this, because it is going to take more time also? And in this, simply we mentioned that different tools of data collection, and in one under one heading only, we mentioned that I mentioned about the significance, and another heading mentioned about the challenges of all the tools.
I remembered your answer. That is very good.
Yes, sir. And sir, in this also there was that significance and challenges in brief focusing on phenomenology. So the phenomenology was has to be given like more space in that question.
It's a 50% of the question.
Okay, sir. Sir, there was one question of Lewis Strauss. In this model answer, there was one, human brain construct. In this, there is deep structure, then there is surface structure. So that surface structure is like that of peripheral culture that we have studied in anthropological theories.
Repeat again.
Sir, in that one question is that what are the major contributions and major criticisms of theory of structuralism as propounded by Lewis Strauss? So in model answer, there is one point that major contribution there is, it gave about the human brain construct that it has two layers, that is deep structure which is difficult to decipher, and the surface structure which is easy to decipher. So
Deep structure is culture core, whereas the surface structure is peripherals.
okay, sir. Answer on to in test number 3. Sir, difference between unilinear and universal is that universal means that we follow the psychic unity, and but in unilinear everything is same, but there is no psychic unity. And so there was one question that about that Lewis highlight the basic concept about the structuralism and elaborate how the Lewis Strauss described the binary opposites and exchange figures in understanding the structural analysis of kinship. So I am not able to understand that how you describe the binary opposites in the structural analysis of kinship. That the model answer gave about sometimes of food.
See, sometimes giving food to kings and giving food to kinsman will be differing. How
Okay,
we
sir.
treat our people and how we treat others will be differing in that way. Binary opposites.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. And sir, one question is write a note on significance and relevance of ceremonial exchange in present society. So here, significance and relevance are two different things, or are the same thing? That significance and relevance one heading, or significance and relevance are the different things? Like
Yeah,
significance,
same.
same.
Here, relevance, one more thing you should write. Relevance means how it is relevant today also.
Okay, sir. And sir, I was watching all those copies, and I was feeling some type of like inferiority complex because they know each and every answer of each and every part so specific that I can't just remember all those points of specific, so specific to the questions also.
You have to make summary notes for that, Piyush. Once I send you the map,
Yes, sir.
mind map for anthropological thought. In that way, if you make for other units also, it will be very much helpful to you.
And sir, what should be now the plan for like for August and because after that I think, and after that how many days we have to.
No, I understood. Now you have to focus mainly on making your revision notes, reading more content. September 1st onwards, revision only.
Okay, sir.
आप अगस्त 31st तक पूरा रिवीजन नोट्स बनाना है क्विकली, एंड सितंबर 1st से ओनली रिवीजन नोट्स को आपको पढ़ना है.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. And sir, there was also I facing some issue like between GS and like all the subjects GS, basically in ethics like GS 1, 2, 3 and all this. So now I got to know that isn't any perfect balance, ना कि कोई एक balance होता है कि GS.
No, वही, see, at night 10:30 I am telling you, now you till August 31st you focus only on anthropology, ethics and essay. September 1st से आप क्विकली, आपको रेडीमेड नोट्स रहेगा ना, वो रेडीमेड कंटेंट को एक बार पढ़िए, मगर ये अगस्त 31 तक यू शुड रीड एथिक्स, एसे एंड आंध्रो.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So, like I have completed like anthropology, I have completed like paper 1, I have completed like most of the topics also, and in paper 2, I am left with like from 6.4 to 9.3, and some of the topics that needs to be interlinked. And but I have, sir, I have like written all the answers that you taught in the class or PYQs, but I have not made that revision note because sir, last I think in October you said about to make the revision note, but after that time I had my Bihar Public Service Commission mains examination. So, but I have, but now in that note only I have marked, highlighted with all these things. And one thing, sir, that I am doing that before test, now I am making in one page I am writing that book's name, anthropolog's name, and all these things. So I think it would suffice for like revision notes.
Yes, true.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Bye.
sir. Thank you, sir.